What's up, family? Hey, we just kicking back on this one, man. Listen, I wanted to tap in with you guys before the night was over to talk about a couple things, but more importantly, give you guys one little warning I want you guys to be on the lookout for as we jump into the stock market on tomorrow, okay? But with that being said, I do want to say major salute to those that did their thing on a day. I got the screenshots, I got the receipts, guys. That's one thing about us over here. Everything we do, everything we talk about, everything we are about, we can show, man, whether it's success of others or success of what we do as a family, guys. And so I just want to say major salute. Keep up the good work. With that being said, guys, listen, the highlight that's at the top of my mind was the Netflix earnings beat, okay? Now, overall, they didn't do all that hot, but nevertheless, their lost subscribers was a lot less than anticipated. And so as a result, the stock shot to the moon, okay? And so this is the challenge in trying to play options on earnings, okay? This is why, if you rock with me, I prefer we wait till it come out. Now we know it went up. So what you guys think we can do tomorrow for some easy money, okay? We can easily ride the momentum and ride the wave of this stock if it continues upward on tomorrow until it hit a level of resistance, and then guys, it'll start coming back down. You can wait for clarity in the play to see those levels, support as well as resistance, so you can make a killing off of the earnings beat that it got, or the positive earnings result that it got, because it really didn't do all that hot. But nevertheless, that's the importance of kind of letting earnings play itself out versus trying to anticipate. Those that anticipated and tried to buy puts got crushed. They're gonna wake up in the morning down a whole lot, man. So guys, let these things play out. As I say every day in the Discord, wait for clarity on things, okay? Don't be in a rush, man. Patience is key. Also, guys, I want to talk to you about the fact that the market rallied today. I need you guys to do two things for me. One, take a look at Apple. Remember I told you guys Apple fell off a cliff, but it was not supposed to. That's kind of the things that sometimes go on in the market when they need to shake off some weak hands, give Wall Street a chance to get their positioning right, little stuff like that, only for it to go almost up in a straight line today, all the way back to 150, and then after hours went to 152 at one point. Okay, remember I told you guys Apple should have went to 152 yesterday. Sometimes, guys, we're early around here, but we always on time, man. But sometimes, guys, that's just how the nature of the beast is in the stock market, okay? You can kind of see things, you can kind of master the charts to a T, so you can crush every day just about, but nevertheless, they can throw a curveball in there. But sure enough, go back and look at Apple. We're right back to where we came down from on yesterday. And that's why when you guys are in plays and you're making money, I often say see profit and take profit. It's oftentimes because of things like this, things that are unforeseen, that unpredictable factor that we sometimes get hit with in the stock market, as we saw on today, only for it to come right back and restore itself right back to where it was just about before the fall happened, okay? So that's one thing I want you guys to pay attention to. And then the second thing I got for you guys before we get into the meat of this video on today is do me a favor, guys. Sometimes when you play this game long enough, Wall Street will show their hand. By now, all of your plays have identified the 52-week low, and every stock in the stock market this year has hit a 52-week low. Guys, do me a favor. Do not let these financial channels, CNBC, none of that stuff deter you. We need to be loading up. We need to be buying. We need to be responsible. So that's why we DCA, we dollar cost average. Guys, please buy this stuff up while it's low, because whether the market turns back around this year or next year or in 2024, guys, it's going to turn back around, and you're getting glimpses of what it's going to look like when it does, when you see days like today, weeks like we've had the last 2 weeks, okay? But it's going to be way worse. 25% gains, 30% gains, 50% gains, 100% gains. But I need you guys loading up now. Everybody, homework assignment really quickly. Class is in session. We just going to remix this real quick. Class is in session. Everybody do me a favor, and if you have at least your 10 stocks identified for this year, go look and just identify what the 52-week low is. All right. Now, whether stocks come back to the 52-week low or not, I want you to give yourself a roundabout range in which you will fill out your position at that level. So for instance, if we were looking at Apple, okay, and Apple 52-week low should be 129.04, okay? If you guys go look at Apple, it should be 129.04. So if you never get a chance to get 129, say this bull market, this bear market rally turns into a bull market all of a sudden. It's just a hypothetical equation, okay? A hypothetical example. If Apple's 52-week low was 129.04, okay, you may say 131, 133, 135. That's where you want to now get the majority of your position established, because you have seen, they showed you their hand. If you can't get that new low, you at least get something within 5% of that number, and let that be how you build out your position. And then guess what, guys? You ride it up through the bear rallies, and then you ride it up and into the bull market that's going to return at some point, okay? When they show you their hand, guys, you can't help but to dominate. One thing I talked to you guys about is how I was able to buy so many stocks low. But guys, when you're in the game every single day, you end up seeing over time, oh man, this stock hit this price, this stock hit this price, this stock hit this price. And then when you have your cash deployed or your buying power built up like we've been doing over time, or when you make money with options like we do every day, and then you take some profit from the options and then you set it aside in your buying power so you can buy stocks, then guys, you might never can time it. Nobody can, but you can get a low enough range like I call out every day for you guys, so you at least have a roundabout clue of where to get it at. And then boom, when things start to run, you got it at 130. Now the stock's sitting at 150 in the case of Apple in this example, okay? But then when it goes back to 175, 182, remember you bought it way down here with me at 130, okay? So that's just an example I want you guys to look out for as part of your homework assignment. Go look at the 52-week low on all your plays, okay? You guys shouldn't have no more than 10 total stocks in your portfolio, and all you really truly need is no more than 3, okay? And so again, trim fat, be doing the work, continue to build in a bear market, okay? But listen, guys, the thing I want to talk to you guys about today, and I wanted to give a warning, was Tesla, okay? Tesla reports earnings on tomorrow after market close, okay? Elon got a lot of stuff going on, but whether that should have any bearing on the stock itself, on the company, it shouldn't, but you never know. They might slide some of that into the equation. Nobody knows at this point in time what their estimates will be, what the earnings per share will be, what any of their numbers will truly be, okay? There are some guesses, there are some projections, okay? But we won't know until they report. But with that being said, kind of like we alluded to with Netflix, guys, I don't want you guys trying to anticipate whether Tesla is going to be up or down. Guys, we're all going to have the liberty of waiting to hear them announce what they do. And then we will all see after hours whether it's up or down. And then guess what, guys? We're going to tear that butt up, okay? We're going to make money off that play, whether it's up or down, okay? We know our levels around here. I taught you guys the levels long time ago, okay? 680, 580, 450, okay? Those are to the downside, okay? To the upside, guys, we've already seen where it's going to test, where it's going to go, how it's going to do, okay? But be ready regardless of what it do, but let the earnings unfold, okay? Don't try to anticipate. If you don't get, unless you got an inside source, or unless Elon hits you directly, don't try to anticipate. Allow the play to kind of just take shape on its own, and then you see how the market responds. You see how Wall Street responds to what they report, and you play it accordingly, okay? And if you don't know how to play it, guys, it's okay to sit back. It's okay to fall back and just watch, learn, take mental reps, guys. Be okay with that too. This is a beautiful game, but it's a risky game, and you have to know the risks associated with these stocks, these high growth plays, options, the whole nine, okay? No matter what you're doing, there's some level of risk involved, and that's just what comes with it, okay? I often say chances make champions. So if you're not willing to take some bumps and bruises, you might just need to have your money in a savings account, okay? But for everybody else, Let this play out, okay? Don't try to rush the gun. Yeah, you can make some money intraday. Remember what Netflix did today? Went up, down, up, down. Guess what? Tesla gonna do that tomorrow throughout the intraday, the trading day, okay? But I'm talking about after hours. Let the dust settle. Let them report. Let them show us the numbers. And then based off those numbers, you guys be ready to get busy, okay? With that being said, I wanted to show some love to my guy Wes one more time. I'm gonna put the link to his shirt. I want all you guys that can and that's willing to support. We support each other around here. Go get that book from Cassandra that I posted last week. Go get this t-shirt that I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, okay? And then let's make sure we support, all right? And then if you got something and you ain't sent it to me yet, you ain't told me about it yet, you let me know so I can make sure not only do I pub you, but we can make sure we get some support around whatever it is you guys are doing too. And last thing, guys, I want to do a mental health check and a wellness check on the family. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I want you guys to let me know how you're doing if you still see this. Okay, let me know where you at. Let me know the toll this stock market has taken on you, this bear market. Okay, let me know if you're learning. Let me know if you're starting to see the light of this, just the cycle that markets go through, or has this been something that has really drained you, okay? Let's do a quick wellness and mental health check. And then last but not least, if you haven't hit me up in the last 90 days, I'm talking about everybody, which should be thousands of y'all, okay? I'm checking on you. If you see this and you know we talked before, but we haven't talked in a while, please text me, email me, or give me a call, okay? Prefer the first two, email or text, just so I can make sure I can keep up with it all right? I just want to make sure that I'm keeping a pulse on you guys and checking in with you guys and just seeing just how everybody is doing. I know a lot of you guys, it's kids, families, moms, dad, grandmas, businesses, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just checking in. I know as a content creator, it's easy to get busy. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day of making these videos and keeping up with the stock and researching and doing DD and being in the Discord. But guys, like I told y'all, man, I ain't seen nobody on social media that put it down like we put it down, or that give it up like I give it up, man. So if I haven't heard from you, you ain't hit me up, and we've talked before, we did a coaching call before, just check in with your boy, man, because I'm checking in with you. Listen, guys, I won't hold you guys up. Watch out for those things. Do that homework assignment for me. Check the 52-week low. They showed you their hand, okay? You guys now know where to buy your stocks at, or at least 5 to 10% within that range, all right? Remember, guys, when they sleep, we eat. When they panic, we pounce. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.